On April 28, the Election Commission of India directed the Aam Aadmi Party to revise the content of its Lok Sabha campaign song to adhere to the advertising codes outlined in the Cable Television Network Rules 1994 and ECI guidelines. The AAP was requested to make necessary modifications to the song and resubmit it for certification. The phrase "Jail ke jawab mein hum vote denge" shows an aggressive mob holding the photo of Arvind Kejriwal, showing him behind bars, casts aspersions on the judiciary. Further, the said phrase appears several times in the advertisement, which contravenes the provisions of ECI guidelines and Rules 61G of Program and Advertising Codes prescribed under the Cable Television Network Rules 1994, said the ECI. Senior AAP leader Atishi, addressing a press conference, expressed that the Election Commission's decision to impose a ban on the party's campaign song is unprecedented. According to her, the EC cited the portrayal of the ruling party and investigation agencies in a negative light as the reason for the ban. However, she emphasized that the song does not mention the BJP and does not violate the Model Code of Conduct, as it includes factual videos and incidents. Atishi, who also serves as a Delhi government minister, criticized the EC for allegedly not taking action on poll code violations by the BJP. If the BJP does dictatorship, it is right. But if someone talks about it, that is wrong. This shows that democracy is in danger. I want to urge the EC to act on the violations committed by the BJP and not stop campaigns of opposition parties, she said. The AAP's over 2-minute campaign song has been penned and sung by AAP MLA Dilip Pandey. The song was released at the party headquarters in New Delhi on April 25. AAP has centered its election campaign around Kejriwal's arrest, encouraging people to vote for the party as a response to the Chief Minister's arrest. Kejriwal was arrested on March 21 by the Enforcement Directorate for alleged irregularities in the 2021-22 excise policy.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी शासित केंद्र सरकार ने एक फर्जी मुकदमे में दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को लोकसभा चुनाव की घोषणा के बाद गिरफ्तार कर लिया। इसलिए गिरफ्तार कर लिया कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी लोकसभा के चुनाव में प्रचार ना कर सकें। यह सिर्फ तानाशाही सरकारों में होता है कि विपक्ष के नेताओं को जेल में डाल देते हैं। तानाशाही सरकारों में यह भी दूसरा लक्षण होता है कि विपक्षी पार्टियों को प्रचार करने से रोका जाता है। और आज यही हुआ है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एक और राजनीतिक हथियार इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया ने अपने इस पत्र के माध्यम से आम आदमी पार्टी के कैंपेन सॉन्ग पर रोक लगा दी है।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.